Okay, well, here's the deal. I lost most of my tools. It opened up, or I forgot to close it last night. Oh boy. So what now? I think I need to go back an hour and find my tools, because if I'm in the middle of nowhere, if something goes wrong, I need to be able to fix my bike. Okay, let's do this. Join me on a motorcycle journey from Portland, Oregon, all the way to the Copper Canyons, Mexico, and eventually to Baja. Another day, another morning. Today I'm going to Mexico. It's super exciting. Let's do this. It was a lovely little hotel. I really enjoyed it. This is a lovely little town too. Wow. Now I want to know more about history of this place. Another day, another morning. Let's go to Mexico. So I'm about 10 minutes away from the border, and I gotta learn some Spanish. There's a tourist form that I already prepaid for online, but I didn't know how to say I already paid for it. And apparently you say ya he pagado, or you can say ya lo pagué. Because, you know, I don't want to double pay. Okay, I think I'm ready now. Yay, I'm approaching Mexico. Look at this border. Holy shit. Wow. And as it happens, I met a different motorcyclist that's going to Mexico as well. And he's right in front of me. Wow. This is some serious shit. This is what humanity came to. Yeah, let's divide each other, sure. Oh, this is really exciting. Prepara, okay, restricted, no, okay. I'm gonna turn this off now, okay. Bienvenidos a Mexico. Okay, this is very exciting. Oh my god, I'm so stoked. Let's do this. Okay, now I need to find a currency exchange. And the bathroom, I really gotta go whiz. Wow, it's a very quiet border crossing. I'm loving it. Buenos días. Tengo una pregunta. ¿Conoces a Casa del Cambio? Sí. 3,5 cuadras. ¿A la derecha o izquierda o derecha? Oh, bueno, gracias. Okay. 3 blocks. Found it. Okay, that was a success. Hi dogs, oh boy. Woof 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 woof! Woof 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 woof! Oh, perritos! Well, that was exciting. Got chased by some dogs. Okay, I'm all set. Get a bunch of cash. Off we go. Get my temporary import permit. Okay, got my vehicle imported. Every time it's a little bit different. But I did it, so success. Okie dokie, I am officially very legal in Mexico, including my vehicle. Cool beans. Okay, let's chat later. I'm having a blast over here. I'm not even in the Copper Canyon. I'm still in Sonora. This is ridiculous. Oh, look at this. Wow. Wow, wow, wow.
Aunque a veces me cuesta encontrarte, eres la sensación de fe.
Okay, I think there's a hotel in this town. Let's see. I'll take anything at this point. Let's see at this one, huh? Okay. Buenas tardes. Buscando al hotel. Oh, downstairs. Buenas tardes. Buscando a la habitación para una noche. ¿Y cuánto para la habitación? Bueno, número 4 y la tienda hasta ahí para comer y cenar. Muchas gracias. Let's see what I got myself. Look at this. Nice. Look at that. Hell yeah. It's one of these days where for dinner I'm having Insta lunch and some Oreos chased with Tecate beer. Surprisingly, there's nothing to eat in this. This is actually my first proper dinner in Mexico. I hope it gets better. Another day, another morning. Wow, it was a cold ass night. I'm 8 hours away from Copper Canyon. I may or may not make it. I was hoping to be on the road by now, but as you can see, I'm quite discombobulated. Well, let's pack and go. Another day, another morning. Let's do this. It has been pretty epic ride so far. Fucking stunning. Wow. Okay, well, here's the deal. I lost most of my tools. It opened up, or I forgot to close it last night. I'm in the middle of nowhere. If something goes wrong, I need to be able to fix my bike. So what now? I think I need to go back an hour and find my tools. Okay, let's go find my tools. Holy shit. Wow, this is gonna be a long day. I won't make it to Copper Canyon for sure. I can't believe I lost my tools, but I still got some, so I think it must have happened more recently, because I would have lost them all by now. Yeah, now I have to drive a lot slower too to actually look for them. Damn! I found my glove. Check it out. Oh, so I kept on losing shit on the way, huh? I could use my tools though. Not a glove. Okay, I'm finding more tools. I've been riding for quite some time. Okay, well, check it out. This one. Okay, another one. So that's where it happened, huh? This is where the carnage happened. I'm happy to find some tools. Still need more to be able to fix my bike later in case this is a success, so yeah. So now I'm just walking around and scanning the ground for the rest of my tools. I found a bunch over there, but not all. So I think the rest must have fallen earlier. It's still not enough to fix my bike if something goes wrong, but I'm an adventure, and I'm running out of fuel. But I'm missing this one, which is number 5, and it's sort of the most important one for me. I use it the most. Ah, I found it! Look at it! Yes. This is the savior. This one gives me access to some other hidden tools that I have on this bike. Also spare keys and such, so phew! Look what I found! Something ran over it, but hey, I use it all the time too. Okay. I found a cover for my toolbox. Here it is. It's locked, but it opened. So from this point on, that's where I've been losing tools. So maybe I'll find more. I could use some. Next dilemma that I have is fuel, since I've been backtracking. Let's see, what is the next gas station? Up ahead. Okay. Okay, cool. I'm gonna drive slowly, look for more tools, and that's it. Okay, I'm back at where I started. This is where I discovered all this problem. I found about half of my tools, which is sort of a success, but also I wasted half a day doing so. I'm gonna take a breather and then I'm gonna keep going. There's a gas station that way, so I need some gas. Okay. I don't think I'll be able to change the tire right now because I have no tools to break the bead. Don't get off that tire much. Yay, another flat tire and I don't have the tools. I have one spoon, so I can't really fix it myself. But I found this joint. He can fix it. I'm not sure I'm gonna stay tonight. There are a few things and very far in between. And it's already, 3 o'clock. Oh, damn. It's already 3 o'clock. Wow, I lost most of the day looking for my tools, huh? Found a hardware store. Got some tools. And oil. Got a couple of tools. I got beers. And now I need to find a hotel. Okay, let's do this. Maybe a restaurant, huh? It's crazy.
On the next episode.